Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can convert a task on GanttPro into a milestone. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your task on GanttPro. Let me go with this one here. Click into it, for example, through the board, list, or Gantt view here at the top. And click into it to access its customization editing. So what you want to do, guys, is here in that window, click into these three dots here in the top right, and select convert to milestone. And as you can see, the logo of the given task has changed to this one here. Of course, you can customize that and select, for example, let me go with, I don't know, a color like this. And that's basically it. Now, if we head over to, let's say, to the Gantt view here in the top left, you will see that, there you go, the task has been converted into a milestone with that icon or symbol here. So that's it. Now if you'd like to convert it back to a task, let me head over or head back to the task customization by double clicking into it. Click into the three dots here again and select the same option but in reverse, convert to task. There you go. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.